Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 55 two-door hardtop, really neat car. Car that I bought down in Texas, has a restoration from the 90s, so it still has single stage lacquer on it. Still has a good shine on it, but just not the shine you get with base coat, clear coat. But it's pretty cool that it's a single stage restoration still. So nice driver quality car. V8 automatic, has had the 350 turbo put in it over the Power Glide, so a nice roadworthy car. You can find a chip here and there and a touch up here and there, but otherwise nice car. Interior doesn't need anything, maybe a little fading from the Texas sun, but not much. There you can see they got the right indicator for a 350 turbo. Headliner's all good. There you can see the dome light working. So I would say the interior is, you know, an 8 out of a 10, maybe not a 9 out of a 10. And the only thing hindering the body is a chip here and there, just from somebody out driving it, having some fun with it, which is what you're supposed to do with these cars. Original hubcaps, rims. And if you don't know that, them rims are specific to 55, 57s or that era, because they have to have notches in the rim for the hubcap stand. Chip touched up there. Like I said, still got a decent shine to it, but it is lacquer. So bumpers are all good. Said chrome's real decent on it. Another scratch. Get that touched up. Like I said, not a perfect car, but a great driver quality car, and these things are still good investments. They just the prices just don't go down on them. They hang up there, and they actually have gotten stronger lately. So pretty cool to these cars is how you open up the door. This is the hardtop. See, that flips up, flips down when you shut it. So a lot of cool things that GM thought of. These have been popular ever since they were sold new. So, and this is a great example of a nice driver quality older restoration. So any questions, 605-695-7391.